Have you ever thought that Safari might open websites before you even tap on them? Or that your real address could still be visible, even if you turned off tracking? This isn't an update, and it's not a virus. These are 3 default settings on your iPhone right now, and if you don't change them, your browser usage may remain more exposed than necessary. Stay with me for just a few minutes, because these 3 must be changed before you use Safari at all. This is part 3 of the Privacy and Security series on your phone, and you'll find the previous parts in the video description and the pinned comment. Let's begin. First setting, turn off preload top hit. This setting makes Safari load the first website in search results before you tap on it. That means a connection to the site happens and data is sent even if you never enter it. Turn it off like this. Open Settings. Apps. Go to Safari. Turn off preload top hit. Why is it important? Because it prevents Safari from connecting to sites without your permission, which reduces tracking. Second setting, enable hide IP address. Even if cookies are blocked, websites can still track you using your IP address. This setting hides it from tracking systems. Enable it like this. From the same Safari page, search for hide IP address. Choose from trackers. Why is it important? It reduces the ability to link your activity across the network. Third setting, turn off privacy, preserving ad measurement. This setting shares statistical data about your interaction with ads, even if it's anonymous. Turn it off like this. From the same Safari page, search for advanced. Turn off privacy-preserving ad measurement. Why is it important? Because it reduces sharing your behavior with advertising systems. If you change these 3, you reduce tracking. You reduce background connections. You noticeably increase your privacy in Safari. In the end, if this is the first time you knew Safari does this, write in the comments, settings changed, and write part 4. If you want me to continue the series with stronger hidden settings, like the video and subscribe to the channel, because the next video will be about a more dangerous setting that might be enabled right now without you realizing it.